Watering related issues like root rot, stem rot, etc. are very common in cacti plants. So in this video, we will make a very cheap cacti soil mix at home that will help you master the watering of cacti plants. So let's begin and do subscribe to our channel. First of all, it's very important to understand what type of mixture cacti plants like. So all type of cacti plants likes a very well draining mixture, basically that replicates their natural habitat. Cacti plants have a lot of moisture stored in their leaves, so a constantly moist soil mix is not required. Ideally, our focus should be on making a well draining, loose and porous soil mix. Too much of a fertile soil mix is also not what a cactus likes, so we should also make it only a little nutrients enriched. Hope you got that. So this is the mixture that have all of these qualities. Using this mixture makes a few changes in the growth and health of a cacti plant. So shortly let me describe that. First of all, the drainage system will be excellent, so here all the watering related problems and diseases will be almost zero, as this mixture is loose and porous, so here the root growth will be a little bit better than before. And overall your cacti plants will be healthy and results making more baby pups. Now let's talk about the ingredients we need to make this cactus soil mix. First ingredient is sand, which is the best thing to improve the drainage of any soil mix. Make sure you are not using the sea sand as it's salty, which is not good for any plant. You can simply use the sand used in construction work. Another ingredient to make the cactus soil mix is the cocopeat that I am using to make the soil a little soft and porous. Cocopeat retains a lot of moisture inside of it for a longer period of time, which is not good for cacti plants. That's why ratios are important, so use only the given amounts. Another ingredient to make the cactus soil mix is the small pieces of brick. You can use the brick made from clay soil and crush them into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces have many unique properties, like they suck extra moisture from the soil and store it deep inside of them and provide to the roots only when they try to suck the moisture. You can also use brick dust, but that will make our mixture a little hard and compact, so use the small brick pieces. Next ingredient of this cactus soil mix is the simple garden soil. I am assuming it's not a completely clay soil, otherwise that won't be a good thing. Soil is important to retain the trace elements in it, but use it only after drying it in the sun for a few days. This will remove any chance of pests and insects. Another ingredient for making this homemade cactus soil mix is the cow dung compost, which will be our source of nutrients. Cow dung compost have a lot of nutrients in it which will be released slowly. Just make sure it's cow dung compost, not fresh cow dung. You can also make cow dung compost at home. Video is added in the description box and I button if you like to try. Here we have all the ingredients into given ratios. Mix them well and our homemade cactus soil mix is ready to use. You can use this cactus soil mix for almost all type of cacti plants. Even you can use this for succulents. This mixture might not work well for very sensitive cacti plants like moon cactus, queen of night, etc. but works just fine for most cacti plants. For them you can buy a cheap but an effective cactus mixture. It's linked in the description box. So it's all about making cactus soil mix to make an organic fertilizer for cacti plants. Here is the right video for you. Must check it out and do subscribe to our channel.